Hi, welcome to Playlist Craft. This video will cover on the credits and billing. When you create a new account, you will see that your credit balance is zero, right? And when you head over to credits and billing, where you can now subscribe to a plan, you will see that you'll see that you have you'll see that you have three options. We have the essential, professional, and ultimate plan, and we have also annual options, all right, which give you some savings. And then when you toggle to this other credit page, you'll see now we are able to buy packs, the $29 pack and the 59 and the 119. These packs depend on your plan. So if, for example, if you selected the professional plan, the credits pricing are going to be a bit different on the price per credit. So for example, if you are on the essential plan, if you buy this pack, you'll get 300 credits. If you're on the ultimate plan, you'll get 350, and on the professional, you get 325. Now, you cannot be able to buy credits. You cannot be able to buy credits if you have not subscribed to a plan, yeah, because these packs are calculated based on the plan that you're subscribed to. The reason is that we unfortunately are not able to cater for hosting for people who are just going to use the platform to maybe like buy credits and then disappear, yeah, because we are hosting the files for you permanently, yeah. When we make requests to Suno, we get temporary song URL and we have to create copies and store those URLs on our storage server, and also on the renders. The videos are very huge, and we have to make sure that at least the people using the platform, we know that they're frequent users. So that's why we decided that you can only be able to buy credits if you are subscribed. So when you subscribe to the essential plan and then the credits allocated to you, the 600 credits deplete, then you can now head over to credits and purchase a pack, maybe the $29 pack or any of the other two. Yeah, so that is it. You can cancel the subscription here. Once you click on cancel, you will see a confirmation here, and you can click cancel and it will cancel at the next billing. So if you registered on, let's say, uh, March 12th and you click cancel, so when it gets to March 12th, you're not going to bill your card. It's going to cancel your plan, right? Yeah, so I think that is it. And then we have the usage logs. uh, you can see what you are using on the platform. So you can see maybe like this time you made a song generation request and it costed uh, this and this. Okay, and if you see any irregular credit charge on the history, just drop us an email and we'll just return the credits to you and we'll fix that issue. For example, here, if you see you are charged for negative tags generation, 5 credits, just let us know and we will return the credits to you, because we don't charge you for AI, for LLM usage on the platform. We charge you for place generation, we charge you for render options, and we also charge you for now the actual render. The render options is when you select, for example, you want the video to have only one image and the playlist of 40 songs playing in the background. That is a render option that charges a different cost. For better understanding of what the costs are, just visit playlistcraft.com/pricing and you'll see the breakdown of all the actions that incur credit costs on the platform.